Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about the 5 love languages, and this is based on widely popular book by Dr. Gary Chapman. So first, what is love languages? Love languages are ways to express and receive love. The book 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman is highly recommended, and it is super easy and quick to read out this book. The 5 love languages are words of affirmation, act of service, physical touch, receiving gift, quality time. You give love in certain way and receive love in certain way. It could be same and could be different. Why is this important? Understanding love can help us to be better and more effective communicator and also strengthen our bond with others. So, how do you do it? The number of ways to express love within a love language is limited only by one's imagination. These 5 love languages are primarily developed by Gary Chapman, and it's helped me to strengthen my relationship in every sense. Whether it's my partner, my friends, my family, even in workplace. It is actually something I wanted to share with you when I started Tina Sunshine. So without any further ado, let's dive in. Sometimes words can speak louder than action. If this is your love language, then words of encouragement, appreciation, and compliment mean the world to you. For example, giving a genuine praise and credit, sharing a meaningful compliment, and using the tone of voice that's kind and loving. Hearing I love you are important, as well as the hearing the reason behind that love. So here is my tip. If your loved one speaks the language of words of affirmation, then please make it a point to give more compliments, words of encouragement, and appreciation every day. The second love language is act of service. In this case, the action speaks louder than words. People who speak this love language express their love by doing things for their loved ones, and they feel most loved when their loved one do things for them. For example, cooking dinner, ironing clothes, doing dishes. If done with the positive spirit, then this can be absolutely a way to show love. The third love language is physical touch. We all know how powerful the physical touch can be when it comes showing to love or appreciation. Whether it's an affirming pat on the back from a colleague, a warm hug from a friend, a kiss on the forehead from a parent, or a little bit more affectionate from a romantic partner. So here will be my tip. If your loved one speaks the language of physical touch, then try touching hands of your loved one, try touching arm while talking together, or try touching his or her lap while sitting together. The fourth love language is receiving gifts. For some people, receiving gift is their primary love language, but not to be mistaken for a materialism. These people thrive on the thoughtfulness, love, and efforts behind each gift. If this is your love language, then perfect gift or gesture means that you are cared for and prized above whatever was sacrificed to bring the gift to you. So here will be my tip. If your loved one speaks the language of receiving gifts, then keep a gift idea notebook with you, and anytime you hear your loved one likes something, then just write it down. The fifth love language is quality time. These people feel most love when you are fully present and engaged with each other. They associate their love with your full and undivided attention. Being there with them is so important, but being there with them without any TV, phone, or any other distraction is very important to make them feel truly loved. So here will be my tip. If your loved one speaks the language of quality time, then ask them what activity they enjoy with you. Then make a date and make sure do not use any phone or avoid any distraction to enjoy the quality time together. If you want to know what is your primary love language, then I have shared a link in the description box. You can take the test and let me know in the comment section below. If you want to show me some extra love, that you can do it by clicking the subscribe button and liking my videos. It really means a lot to me when you do. Alright, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.